Today I'll be talking about this concept of product-led. And what product-led really means is that a company's focus is on the product more than the sales and the marketing of the product. And then I'm going to talk about how the fact that we're a product-led company has led us into introducing TicketSignup.
We view ourselves in partnership with our customers. We're successful when you're all successful. Our job is to basically build technology that all of our customers can benefit from.
So we started the company as a product-led company. We basically listened to some customers, partly myself because I was a race director, and decided that we wanted to build something that made race directors' lives a little bit easier. And so the real purpose of the company from the very beginning was to build a product that helped people. So this term product-led is this very hot term these days, and I think it fits our company very well. I'm kind of a product-led person. You know, my undergrad degree is electrical engineering, and after school I became a hardware and software firmware developer. So I coded at the assembler level at microcode, and I used to know all hex codes and how they translated into 8080 code, object code, and stuff like that. In the blog, I actually have a picture of one of the code modules I wrote early on. Anyway, when we started RunSignup, we just really focused on building a good product. And over time, that's really been the core of our company. When we look at the landscape now, product-led has become very popular. And the term product-led, I think, is the outgrowth of some technology that has come out into the marketplace over the past couple of years. There's two primary technologies that have come out over the past dozen years or so. One is cloud and the other is mobile. And what this does is it makes it exceptionally easy to, if you know how to develop software well, to actually propagate software on a massive scale very easily and quickly and inexpensively. It makes it easy to start a company, and it makes it easy to iterate and continue to move forward as we've shown. So what this does is it gives more and more power to software companies in the world. And you've probably heard the term, software is eating the world, and how software is becoming a key part of every single business, whether it's taxis being replaced by Uber and Lyft, or people going to grocery stores being replaced by delivery services. So product-led has been enabled by these things. We are a product-led company. We've adopted these technologies kind of from the very beginning. It's given us a great advantage in the marketplace. Being a product-led company, we've been able to price our product below what others' products are, and we've been able to offer more features. And this combination of more features, lower price, kind of overlaps with being able to distribute your software very well, and customers' increasing ability to kind of control their own technology and become more technology adept, right? In the old days, you had to go to a technology expert. Now many people know how to use computers and phones, and applications are increasingly easy. So companies that are product-led have a great advantage over companies that are not focused on building a great product. Because the companies that don't build a great product, they don't get this natural word of mouth that happens. And so what this leads in our business is to a lower cost of sales and marketing. So we spend a disproportionate amount of our money on software development, and taking this long-term thought process that if we keep building a better and better product over time, it will differentiate itself more and more on its own. And consumers are going to be smart enough to figure out that, there's a difference between, this product and another product. And it will cause them to kind of make the migration to RunSignup. And indeed, that's been the success factor for RunSignup in the endurance marketplace. You can talk about some of the things like, we have this flexible, non-exclusive contract so customers can leave us at any point in time. or our pricing, or the fact that we have a bunch of really good people here that serve our customers well. But fundamentally, the reason why we've grown, to about 40% market share over the past dozen years in the endurance market is because simply we build a great product. And that fundamentally is what customers are looking for from software and from technology to bring to their endurance events. What happened several years ago is that we started getting requests from a number of our nonprofit customers to build a lighter weight technology for ticketing for things like galas and golf outings. And so we started to build that out. And really kind of the initial target was, okay, let's build this for nonprofit customers. And if we build it for nonprofit customers, specifically, it will help us differentiate it from products like Eventbrite. Because Eventbrite's not built for nonprofits. Like, you can't make a donation while you're signing up for an Eventbrite event. You can't brand it on your own nonprofit logo and your own nonprofit URL and things like that. So it becomes something that we can build a product for that has distinct feature advantage. We know our price is lower than Eventbrite's, and so we know that over time we will have this product-led type of motion into the nonprofit space with our ticket platform. So being product-led, we're really focused on building a great ticket platform, right? And so what we started to notice by last fall is that this ticket platform that we had built is actually really good for some other types of customers. And in particular, what we noticed is that it's really great for like these multi-time slot types of events. And there's a lot of those in this area called agritourism. So it's like haunted houses or holiday light shows or corn mazes. And so what we decided to do over the past several months is introduce this new brand called TicketSignup. We came up with the term TicketSignup because it's very product descriptive. It's kind of like RunSignup. Like, the original idea is you sign up for a run, and that's the reason why we came up with that name. Well, this is, I want to sign up for a ticket event. So we've introduced this new brand name. So now we have 3 brand names of RunSignup, GiveSignup, and TicketSignup. But the reality is we've got this one massive platform that shares, all of its infrastructure, all of its payment processing, a lot of its common services like email and websites and things like that. But we've made a registration platform that's really great for endurance and peer-to-peer events. And we've made this ticket platform that's really great, especially right now, for nonprofits, for things like galas and golf outings, and for events that are kind of multi-day, the Halloween haunt and holiday light show types of things. So again, what we're doing is kind of the same thing we did in endurance. We have found a set of markets where there's a bunch of specific needs that customers have to improve their lives, improve their business, improve their number of supporters, improve their revenue. And we're building a product specific for that marketplace. And surprisingly, when we look around at the ticket market, Eventbrite's been around longer than we have. It's kind of silly that they don't make it easy for nonprofits to take donations. It's kind of amazing to us that these ticket vendors that are supporting Halloween haunts don't make it easy when there's a rainout date to make it easy to transfer to another date and so forth. And so what we're finding, just like we did in endurance, is that there's a bunch of applications and features that people really, really need. And we're a company that can build those features and serve those customers well. So that's how product-led is kind of leading us into these new markets and these new businesses, and how we'll continue to iterate and keep moving forward. If you like this video, click the like button and hit subscribe if you want to see other videos like this, or if you want to see more product-oriented videos, because we have this massive YouTube channel with lots and lots of content that's great for our customers.